Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. It actually helps us out tremendously if you do subscribe by helping us with our proceeds if we get enough subscribers. This week we've had an amazing bunch of people come to help us. We had
Craig, my cousin,
who came down from the Toronto area to give us a hand for a day. And we had Andrew, my son, come up, and also Tommy and Wayne, our regulars that come in every so often to assist us. So we got a lot of work done this week, and you'll see the progress of it during this video. We had peeling done. We had logs being placed up on the walls. We also went into the trails to grab some of the wood. We cut down trees. A lot of work was done this week.
That's why actually it's very important to have a little bit of help anyways. What happens, the process is very simple. You cut a tree down, you take it out, you skin it, you prepare it for the cabin itself, but it takes man hours if you want, or people hours. So it's very important to have some help, and it's going up pretty fast. As you can see, me and Anna are doing a real good job. We did a small little mistake where you see we're at the 6th row, and the 7th row is supposed to go across, and we can't do that until the backside, if you want, is completed.
So we will actually have to remove one log and trim the other one so that we have the cross door for the one bedroom.
Right.
So that will be taken down a little closer to the date when we're in that corner.
Yeah. The idea is to finish, it's a puzzle. The idea is to finish the bedroom, which is the far side, is the spare bedroom, and then work on the bathroom as we proceed.
And then the master bedroom.
And then the master bedroom.
So that we can actually have access to it. So as you can see, we're still putting the logs up, screwing them down. You see here Andrew peeling, and behind you'll see Wayne trimming the excess branches off the logs. So Tommy was taking the trees out of the bush with the tractor, and Wayne was helping move some of the logs as well.
They actually were pretty fast because we hauled out one log and they were able to peel it before we came out with the second log.
We were 3 peeling, so it made the job easy. And as you can see here, we have Andrew again learning how to use the mill. It was his first time using it, so he did very well.
You have to show when you're doing this. There's a lot of small things that you have to be careful of, and if you don't know them, it's important. So actually, if anybody wanted to learn, I could teach them.
Well, you taught me, and you've taught many people how to mill, so we're doing okay.
Yep.
And as you can see here, Andrew's got the hang of it.
Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe. It helps us greatly. Thank you.